I think you want to see how much mileage you can get on a full tank. And if that's what you're after, forget it. 'Cause, pardon me. See, I can handle everything you've got. And that little portable liquor store. Matter of fact, I know I can table you under the drink anytime at all.
That's better.